There's the date and time. An issue with the window switch on the passenger side door on the 2001 Chrysler Concorde. What is up with this? It just happened when, like, the last time we drove this car about a year ago. It's actually been doing this for 2 or 3 years now. Look, it's just hanging out. I mean, the switch itself still works, but I think this is kind of weird. You can actually disconnect the wires. When you shut the door, I'll sit in the car and show you. See, that happens when you shut the door. Open the door again, shut it again. Here's the interior. Piece of junk, though. It's kind of weird. Please tell me what this problem could be. It doesn't do it on any of the other window switches, just this one. I don't know why. And of course, this car has no power to it. Go ahead, lock this door. So, with that said, that will be it.